Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share with you some nail foils I bought from Aliexpress and some nail glue as well. It are from a couple of different sellers, and I actually got a couple of packages in, but it was just too much to put it all in one video. So that's why I just took all of the nail foils out and the foil glue as well. And I will just split the other products such as glitters and image plates and stuff like that. I will just split that up in another video. So it won't be like an hour-long video, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let's just quit the rambling and start showing you the stuff I got. And it's all nail foil and just things like that. So if you're curious to see what I got, please keep on watching. So first up, I'm actually not filming on my regular tile, like a wall tile I use as my underlay or like my background. This is just the desk I always work at and do my nail art on. As you can see, there's like paint and all that stuff on here. But I just wanted to clean that tile off really well, and it isn't fully dried yet. So I just use my regular desk as my background today. Oh, and I don't have any nail polish on my nails at the moment. You can see there are actually some damaged points on my nails, but yeah, stuff like that just happens. So these are just my nails with a little bit of base coat on, because I will try and make a new nail art tutorial after I recorded this video. But first up, from You Are Sugar Nail Store, I got this 10 milliliter bottle of foil glue, and it cost €1.69, so it's still under €2. And this is what it looks like. I haven't tried this one out yet, so it really looks like a regular white nail polish or something. So yeah, I'm not really sure how this will work, but I'm just going to try it out, and you'll probably see me use this in one of my tutorials, or I might even do like a review or like a comparison video with some other foil glues as well. So this one was just €1.69, which is a pretty good deal if you ask me. I know that there are other nail or like foil glues online as well for about $1, but I haven't found one that actually works well. And this one is a 10 milliliter one, so for just $1.69, it's not that bad. Next up are 4 nail foils, and I got each of this one for 62 cents, and it is by the seller Beauty Lady Nail Art Store. So if you're curious about these, do check out that seller. There weren't any shipping costs or anything, and I live in Holland, so it came all the way from China, which is for me like on the other side of the world. So it's pretty nice that there weren't any shipping costs. But this is the first one I got, and they're all 4 centimeters wide and a meter long. So you get a pretty decent amount of product. And this one is just like a rainbow kind of holographic silver. It's kind of like a reptile skin, in my opinion. It looks a little bit like a cracking kind of skin thingy, but I really like the gradient effect on it on this one, and I think I will use it like this on the nail, so you have like a gradient from the red, orange to yellow, and then the next nail could be like a yellow green to dark green, and so on, you know. So I really like this one. I haven't tried this one out yet. Actually, I haven't tried out any of the new foils I've gotten in previous Aliexpress hauls either, but I'm really desperate to try them out really soon. Then the second one I got is a kind of like transparent holographic background with some cute pink flowers on it. I think this one looks really pretty. Next up is another holographic one, and this one feels a little bit thicker, or like the base feels thicker, but it's just a holographic like netted or netting kind of pattern, I guess you can call it like that. I really like how this looks, and I think it will look gorgeous on top of like a black nail polish or something. And the last one from this particular store, which are again a transparent backing with all holographic, like silver holographic hearts on it. So really cute and really like easy to use on Valentine's Day or like some kind of anniversary or something. Then I have a ton of other foils, and these are all by Wakefulness official store. So I got 2 sets like packaged in just a little plastic thingy, but I've got 16 more of these little pots. So let's just start with these, and these are like sets of like 16 different sheets in one, and these were 84 cents for a set. So I'm just going to grab these really quickly. These feel a lot more thin, and they are a little smaller as well. I think they are about 20 centimeters, I guess. So there are some different ones. This one is super holographic. I think most of them have like a holographic background. So these look to me to be florally, a little bit like psychedelic even. This one is like a super galaxy-like kind of foil. Some more flowers with a little bit of like a leopard print. This is a full-on, or like kind of a leopard print. Some more flowers. There are just a ton of different ones, even some really funky ones. I really like it. This one is super gorgeous with like the snake skin. Some peacock feathers, some other flowers, and yeah, there's a load in just one pack. But I have to say that even though they are a lot smaller, you do get like 16 different designs in just one pack, so it's still kind of a good deal. And the other pack is again one of 16 different ones, all with holographic backgrounds again. So this is a super cute one, galaxy-ish. This actually looks like a really messed up water marble. I really like these. This is like an oil slick holographic one. I haven't even looked at these before I started filming, so they're all pretty new to me. This is again galaxy-like, kind of pastel. This one is really psychedelic. There's some really nice ones in here, and just for 84 cents, I think they are pretty cool. Just look at how bright these colors are. Again, I haven't tried these out yet, but I'm really looking forward to. Just look at this. I really love the color combination of this one. So yeah, that were all the loose like 20 centimeter long nail foils. So lastly, I have 16 different pots and just a ton of foils. It's insane. I went kind of ballistic with the foils because I saw that these were only 72 cents and they shipped super fast, by the way. I ordered them, I can't remember because I got them in like 2 weeks ago already, but I think I got them in within like 10 days or something. It was super quick, so that was a big plus. And again, the store where I bought these is called Wakefulness official store. If there are any links you would like me to share with you, just let me know in the comments down below and I will reply to you personally. But yeah, let me just put them all like this and show you one by one. So yeah, just scoop them aside. So the first one is again a really cute one. It's just a black, kind of like a smoky transparent one with hearts on it. Then the second one is a silver and black, and this is kind of like a baroque. I don't know if it's called baroque in English as well, but in Dutch it's called baroque. This kind of like florally pattern. I've got another holographic one, but this is like a snake skin. Completely transparent, but just a snake skin kind of pattern in silver holographic. This one was just so cute. I'm not like a big Disney fan or anything like that, but I saw this and I was instantly just inspired to make a Disney kind of nail art. So this is just Mickey Mouse and I just thought it was so cute. And it was only like 72 cents, so I just had to get it. This one is really cute as well. It are silver holographic outlined little like rubber duckies. I think it's cute and it's like happy time and I just think it is so adorable. It's just a shame that I haven't gotten this one in with Easter, because otherwise I would have done a rubber ducky Easter nail art or something. Next up is again a somewhat transparent to opaque black with silver holographic snowflakes on it. So I am already like completely set for upcoming Christmas season, which still takes about like 8 months or something. Next up is a transparent silver holographic, and this one is kind of like a florally design. It's not super florally though. It's more like a graphic florally design, if you know what I mean. And it's super holographic. And again, these are like 1 meter long. And if you're curious how I get them back into like the packaging, I just roll it around my finger like really loosely, because otherwise you won't be able to just get it off your finger again. And then when you've rolled it around, just take it off like that and put it back into the little container. That way you won't like crinkle up the foil or mess it up or anything. And it's still really easy to get off of your finger and back into the little container. Next up is a black and silver holographic striped one with cobwebs on it, or like spider webs. And this one will be great for upcoming Halloween season this October. And I can't wait till it is October again, because it's my birthday in October as well. And I really, really love that month. It's just, I'm really a fall kind of girl. And I just love that season. I can help myself. But next up is this... I think it's kind of like a coppery / golden floral design one. Let me just take this one out real quickly and just show you a little piece. It's like a lace. I don't know if it's gold or it's more of like a copper, because it looks a little bit more gold on camera than it is in real life. Let's just say it is a mix of like gold and copper. I can't really think of any other color that looks like it. And then I just have 2 more left. This is like a leopard kind of print, but more on like a creamy base. And this one is a metallic oil slick kind of pattern. And I'm just going to take this one out because I haven't looked at this one completely yet, but it looks pretty cool. Nice. It's really metallic-y, so I think this one will look beautiful when you apply it like fully to the nail, compared to like little patches of nail foil that you can do as well if you want to. But I think this one will look beautiful when you apply it like full on to the nail. But yeah, that were actually all the items I got so far, or like the nail foil kind of related items. Thank you so much for watching. It is highly appreciated. If you are new, welcome. Please subscribe as well. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to just keep track to all my new content. And I just really wanted to thank you guys for hanging around and just leaving comments and stuff like that. It really makes my day, and I've had such an awful week last week, and your comments just really cheer me up, and I'm just really grateful that I have such kind subscribers and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.